Hello and welcome to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to teach you how to use the augmented chord. Most people know the augmented chord, which is let's be in the key of C, for instance. Yeah, I'm sure you know the major scale of C. If you don't know that, you should watch my tutorial on beginners. Alright, so an augmented chord has your 1, 3, and then sharpened fifth. Alright, augmented fifth rather. So you have a 1, 3, and then you have sharpened fifth. So instead of the misa, you have the misa. So this chord. So there are a couple of people who know this chord, but they don't know how to use it. They just know it as in theory. They know it in all keys. Yeah, but you don't know how to use it. So I'm going to show you some of the instances where you can use it today. So don't forget, you need to know about progressions. You need to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for you to understand this. Yeah, because I'll just teach in progressions. I might not be using song. Okay, I'll use song. Yeah, sure. So click the subscribe button. I'm sure you are watching and you've not subscribed. Just click the subscribe button. If you subscribe, just type in the comment that continue, sir. I'm subscribed. All right. Welcome back. So now let's okay, let me just show you that in the key of C. For this song, there's this song, "No Bridge is Falling Down." So there's this 2-5-1 that ends it. 2-5-1. So that's the chord progression that used to end most of the songs out there. So we have a 2, 5, and 1. So on your 2 in the key of C, we have a G minor, right? On your 5, we have a G major. So on that G major, you can actually use an augmented chord. Let me show you the augmented chord you can use. You can use the augmented chord. What's it called? In the key of C, you can use a B augmented chord, which is the same as E flat augmented chord, which is the same as G augmented chord. So let's say you can use the augmented chord of your 5, of your 5th. So we have something like this. So to 5, we have a B, E flat, and G. 5, 4. All right, so practice that and let me know how that goes. God bless you. Bye.